In 1995, Honda unveiled their SSM, or Sports Study Model concept, at the Tokyo Motor Show. Honda's ambition was to create a true performance roadster, to offer enjoyable driving in all aspects. High technical targets were set, and an active approach to environmental and safety issues was taken. Making extensive use of racing-derived technology, the Honda S2000 is the realization of that dream. At the heart of the S2000 lies an extraordinary four-cylinder 2-litre engine that freely revs to a 9,000 RPM maximum. Its phenomenal 240 PS output at 8,300 RPM equates to 120 PS per litre, dramatically redefining the benchmark figure for specific output from a mass-produced, normally aspirated engine. The technical challenges posed by a high-revving engine demanded advanced detail engineering and materials. Using their extensive motor racing experience, Honda's engineers concentrated on improving breathing efficiency, reducing inertial weight and operating friction, and introducing features aimed at enhancing output. In particular, the engine features a new generation double overhead cam VTEC variable valve timing assembly. Its abilities are all the more exceptional given that it conforms to some of the toughest emissions legislation in the world, including the strict Californian low-emission vehicle regulations and all EU 2000 requirements. Honda has created a high-performance eco-engine that sets new standards both in terms of emissions and output. To enable the driver to fully exploit the engine, a new 6-speed transmission has been designed specifically for the Honda S2000. Smooth, rapid changes are possible thanks to the short throw shift action and low friction, low weight characteristics of the clutch. Positioning as many components as possible close to the center of the car has provided an exceptionally low polar moment of inertia for quicker, more linear steering and more balanced, responsive handling. In particular, the compact engine is mounted behind the front axle line, and the Honda S2000's weight distribution is an optimum 50-50 front to rear. The Honda S2000 is also equipped with new generation electrically assisted power steering, which provides excellent road feel at high speeds, ease of parking, as well as minimizing energy losses compared to a conventional hydraulic system. An all-new suspension layout features in-wheel double wishbones front and rear. The arrangement means that much of the suspension structure is located within the 16-inch diameter of the wheels to give significant packaging benefits. In particular, it has permitted a lower bonnet and rear deckline. The short, compact wishbones and reduced distance between their upper and lower mounting points increases the overall rigidity of the suspension. The high stiffness resists lateral forces for a more progressive and linear handling feel and greater stability. A torque-sensing limited slip differential is standard on the Honda S2000 and plays a key role in the car's rewarding and progressive road manners. To offer exceptional levels of rigidity, the Honda S2000 monocoque structure comprises a unique high X-bone frame, in combination with particularly straight front and rear frame rails and deep side sills. Viewed from above, the center tunnel takes the form of an X, with its forward legs connecting directly with the front frame rails, while the rear legs connect with the rear of the chassis behind the cockpit. Viewed from the side, the center tunnel is notably deep and forms a box shape in cross-section, offering good resistance to torsional loads. The body rigidity of the Honda S2000 forms a vital part of its safety design. Honda has developed an open body structure that is both lightweight and strong enough to absorb impact energy and protect the occupants in the event of a collision. The newly developed straightened side members feature double-decker reinforcements, which have been designed to crumple progressively in the event of impact, effectively absorbing the energy. The three-pronged structure created where sill, front frame rails, floor member, and central tunnel all meet, combined with the reinforced straight steering hanger beam, which connects the two side pillars, results in minimum cabin deformation. In addition to the roll bars behind the headrests, the tubular brace in the windscreen surround provides occupant protection in the unlikely event of a rollover accident. The Honda S2000 also features ABS brakes with electronic brake force distribution. In the cockpit, compact SRS airbags and seatbelt pretensioners are fitted as standard. With its low-slung seating position, high doors and high center tunnel, the elegantly simple yet purposeful interior is snug and cocooning. The Honda S2000's interior design emphasizes clean, simple shapes, with most major controls located on the column stalks or the curved area of the dashboard. The instrument layout is driver-focused, the controls designed to be at hand. Digital displays of Formula One cars provided Honda's designers with the inspiration for the instruments, again reflecting the high-tech nature of the car. To ensure driver and passenger comfort is not compromised with the top lowered, an optional transparent plastic shield sits between the roll hoops and acts as a wind deflector, reducing turbulence in the cockpit. The Honda S2000 heater also has an open mode setting, providing a more comfortable open-top motoring experience, even in Europe's cooler seasons. The soft top is electrically operated and takes just 6 seconds to lower. Continuing the design ethos of the Honda S2000, the electric hood mechanism weighs just 6 kilograms, keeping equipment weight to a minimum. The Honda S2000 also features a surprisingly deep and fully lined boot, which has sufficient luggage space for 2 large-size soft bags. The low bonnet line, flared arches and short front overhang give the frontal aspect an aggressive and purposeful feel. Body sides are taut and accented by subtle sill shaping. At the rear, tail light clusters mirror the shape of the front light covers, while the upper lip of the boot lid features a center rear brake light and also performs an aerodynamic function. Beautifully proportioned, the Honda S2000 has both elegance and sporty individual appeal. The Honda S2000 is the product of 50 years of engineering excellence, an exciting sports car in the great Honda tradition.